Good morning guys, today's another day. We want to go to the store, but we feel a little bit of rain, so okay, it's time to walk to the store again because the weather is okay again. It was like a 10-minute rain and the wind is also gone, and it's immediately very hot again.
You have to put your sunscreen on and your bandana, and now it's
I don't have my bandana.
No.
It's at the hotel.
Yeah.
I don't care. It's not too far for walk.
You don't care when you're burning. Okay.
I don't care. It is weekend now, it is Sunday, and all these kids are saying hi and hello and all waving to us. It's really cute. They're walking by us now. It's really cute. We are in the store. They got funny music here. We're looking for some noodles. It is already very hot, so I've got this ice cream for like 80 €, and let's eat it and walk back to the hotel, and we probably are gonna snorkel in the sea. We are on the beach again. It is really empty. There are not a lot of people, only 2 there, but the current is a little bit stronger today, so we have to be a little bit careful, but it is still high tide, luckily, because with all these sea urchins you can't get in easily. Today the weather is a little bit bad. It's raining again, but we want to go out for some dinner, so we have to wait a little bit. Welcome in the vlog, Mom. Say hello to the followers from Indonesia. It is raining so hard right now. We are gonna walk to the same restaurant again because the food there is really good and also affordable, but it's still raining a little bit. I mean, it's not raining hard, but it's not dry at all. And today we had a really chill day. And tomorrow we will go to Tubigon. It's like in the northwest part of Bohol. And we will go there to another hotel because our boat will go from there to Cebu in 2 days. So we need to be there in advance. It is a lot cooler right now. That's a good thing. And this hotel, I mean, it's okay, but the service is not really good, and also the prices of the food are really expensive. That's why we are walking all the time. Fleur doesn't like the rain. I've got the cookies and cream milk tea. It looks really good. How does it taste, Fleur?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you already tried.
Het gaat niet, hè?
No, you have to suck first, like this. It's good. I got the pork sisig, which is like pork with chicken liver and rice, the carbonara. Ooh, it looks very good. This food was really good, and we also had another mango float. We shared one together. It is amazing. You have to eat it when you're in the Philippines.
Yeah, a lot.
And the pork sisig was also really good, but it had a lot of fat, so I couldn't really finish it. Otherwise I will be on the toilet tomorrow the whole day, I think. Now let's get back to the hotel. It's dry right now, or almost dry.
What you call dry.
Fleur doesn't like the rain at all, so we go yalla yalla mode. It's a frog. Fleur also hates frogs. It is still raining very hard, so now it's movie time. Good night.